immunity granted under the 1990 Constitution continues. So what this means essentially is when Major General Sitiveni Rampuka carried out the two coups in 1987 on the 14th of May 1987 and 25th of September 1987, when the 1990 Constitution was drafted and put in place, it gave him, everybody that were part of the removal of the government, and also those officers who are appointed to offices, including Dr. Penang Ganilau, and the judges, the magistrates, anybody that was appointed under the decrees, immunity for the country to move forward. That immunity then continued into the 1997 Constitution. So those people who are talking about the 1997 Constitution that they wanted in place, they're also talking about the immunity of the 1987 events continuing on to the 1997 Constitution and moving forward. What this says, yes, the immunity will also continue. And it also gives immunity to the events relating to 5 December 06. Now, what it means in practical terms is that nobody can come back and, for example, say that the Permanent Secretary for Provincial Development was made the Permanent Secretary under the State Services Decree, and that is illegal. So therefore, the decisions he made, or his appointment is in fact wrong, and therefore he should be tried. He should not be made Permanent Secretary under that. And it also gives protection to His Excellency the President, that he should not have signed all these decrees. It gives protection to the RFMF members, also in the events relating to 5 December 06. So the immunity is for the political events, for taking up office. So the Chief Justice, the judges, etc., they get immunity. But they don't have immunity if they go and they become corrupt, or they're going to steal from somebody, or they're going to kill somebody, etc. All those offences are not covered under the immunity